Before we start editing the site, we should go over the layout of the Wix program. So at the top menu, we have the desktop view, which is what your view would look like on a regular computer, and then of course next to that is the mobile view, which is what your site would look like if you were looking at it on a mobile device like a phone. So we'll do all our editing on our desktop one, but you may want to switch back and forth just to see if any of the changes you made may not look right when they're in the mobile view. So up here we have our site menu, which gives you that save button, which is up here as well, and the preview button, and a lot of things that are really already up on the menu. The settings menu, which control different aspects of the site itself. The tools menu, which allows you to turn different features on and off, and I'm going to turn that toolbar off because I really don't, I didn't use it at all, so you may not need that. If you want it, you can always go back up here and turn it back on. Don't need any of the rest of this. But there is an undo and redo button as well. And then down the side is really where you're going to get most of your stuff for your site. So if you need to add pages to this, which we're going to be doing, we go to the site menu and then go to add a page. You want to change the page background, you can go into this site and you can add images that they have up here, or you can apply your own image or video from your own files. The most useful button is probably going to be this add button here. This allows you to add any of the stuff that you want to put onto the site, whether it's text, images, whether you want to put in there some type of shape or an interactive feature like a slideshow, or if you want to put in buttons, box, all kinds of different things that you can add in here. And there's lots of different submenus within these, so there's lots of things that you may be able to find and add into your website. And one of the things that Wix also has is apps, so you can add in different types of kind of built-in programs onto your site that'll do a number of things. We probably won't need that for what we're going to be doing, but it's interesting to see if you wanted to create your own website, some of the things that you could add in here. Okay, you can also add in media, whether it's from your Drive file or whether it's from one of your social media accounts, and you can also add in some of the pre-box stuff that they have, and of course there is stuff that you can buy as well if you wanted to purchase images or videos. And so to start editing your site, the first thing that you can do is if you want to edit the name of the site and then change it to your name or about you, any of the things that you want to edit, if you double click on them, that'll bring up the menu that allows you to change things like the type of font, some of the other features or special effects that you may want to add to the font to make it stand out a little bit more. Same thing down here with this little strip that's here. You can go into that, you can change the background image of that to something else. And then everything below that is just kind of preset information that they put on there. And actually what I'm going to get you to do is just everything below the strip is just delete it. So I'm just going to select that stuff, and I'm going to delete that and go down, keep going down, and just delete everything that's down below that strip.